Welcome to the new TIBCO Product Support Information Lookup site. The URL for this site is productinfo.support.tibco.com. The website is divided into three areas. The upper left-hand corner of the site is the search area to allow you to look up products, platforms, or third-party software products depending on the tab selected. Selecting items in the search results pane will save the items in the lower left-hand pane. The right-hand pane shows the supported platforms and supported third-party software for the items selected. Clicking on the Product tab, you can type in all or part of a product name to look it up. In this example, we will use Business Connect. Typing Business Connect in the search box yields all products with Business Connect in the product name in the search window. Clicking on the latest version only checkbox limits the search to the most recently released versions of these products. Clicking on a product causes the supported platforms for that product to be displayed onto the results window under the supported platforms tab. It also lists third-party products to be displayed under the third-party product tab. You can delete a product by clicking on the X next to the product in the lower left pane. Clicking on the Platform tab, you can select a platform, such as Windows or Linux, to search for. For this example, let's use Linux. We see a large number of Linux platforms, so let's narrow the search to Red Hat Enterprise Linux. Further, we'll select the Red Hat Linux 6.9. Selecting one of these platforms will generate a list of supported products for that platform on the results screen on the right, and save the platform in the lower left-hand pane. To delete the platform from the saved area, click on X in the Delete column. Now let's select Windows. Specifically, Windows Server 2012, R2. A new report appears. Now let's select both. A new report gets generated which allows you to compare the two. To generate a printable version of the report, click on the Printable Version button. A printable report is generated in a separate window which can be printed with the print function in your web browser. The third-party software tab works similarly with regard to third-party software products such as databases, LDAP servers, application servers, web browsers, and other related software that interacts with TIBCO products. For this example, let's select Oracle Database 12. Refining our selection, click on Oracle Database 12c Rack. The results pane shows products supported with this product. Let's delete Oracle 12c and try Microsoft SQL Server. Let's select SQL Server 2014. Now let's select both. A new report gets generated with both databases, which will allow you to compare the two. The site also can be used to verify multiple TIBCO products at one time. For this example, we'll verify what operating system and third-party software will work with Business Connect 6.4, the Business Connect EDI Protocol 6.8, BusinessWorks 5.13, and TIBCO Runtime Agent 5.10. First, let's select the products. The resultant search shows all supported platforms, and all supported third-party software. Note the checkmark with the exclamation point. This means that this is a qualified answer. To find out the qualification, hover over the checkmark. A message will appear next to the pointer explaining the qualification. Now let's limit the platforms. Click on the Platform tab and select Red Hat Enterprise Linux. We'll select 6.9. Now let's select Windows Server 2012. This limits the report to just those two operating systems, allowing it to be much more readable. We could do the same with databases. Let's select Oracle 12c Rack again. And SQL Server. You can see the results here. The help screen is available, which describes how to make these queries. It opens a separate window so you can switch back and forth between the help screen and the application. For any other questions, contact TIBCO support. Thank you.